Hey guys, welcome to the FunnyBrick channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these fun Lego cookies. And helping me out are my awesome chef assistants, Thomas and Alice. Let's go. We need to make a cookie cutter. You can find the necessary file on Thingiverse. You'll need to download 2 files from there. The next step is preparing the files and printing the cookie cutter on a 3D printer. Now, for the best part, making the cookies. Here's what you'll need. 1 egg, baking powder, 150 grams of butter, 70 grams of sugar, 300 grams of flour, an oven, and some bowls for mixing the ingredients. Our task is to mix all the ingredients until we get a smooth, uniform dough.
Get out of there, it's gonna blow! Woohoo!
The dough needs to be placed in the fridge for 1 hour. Mix the dough again and roll it out to a thickness of 5 millimeters. Use the cookie cutter to shape our cookies. Then, place the shaped cookies onto a baking tray.
Bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. While our Lego cookies are baking, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And of course, make yourself a cup of tea. Things are about to get delicious. Done! Our Lego cookies are ready. Let's give them a try. Ouch! did this get in here? But it still tastes great.